Connecting your electric bike cabling, you'll have two wiring harnesses. One that goes from your motor to your controller, one that goes from your components to your controller. We're going to start with your components. They are color coded with yellow, green, and red. Yellow goes to your throttle. They have arrows that you need to line up. Push them all the way together. Make sure they're secure. Green goes to your LCD. Line up the arrows. Push it in. The red goes to your e-brakes. Line up your arrows. Push both of them in. Make sure all of your connections are secure. Make sure that all of them are pulled out in a good position away from all your lines. Decide if you want to run it on your top tube or your bottom tube. Pull your wiring from your controller where you want it to be positioned. Line up the arrows on the end of the connectors. Push them in, make sure they're secure. You have a connector coming from your pedal assist device and your controller. Both are yellow. Line up the arrows, push them together, make sure they're secure. And your wire from your motor to your controller, make sure they're pushed in very tightly and secure. If they're not pushed all the way in, it will give you an error on your LCD. Now you want to zip tie your wires out of the way of your tire and your front crank and your chain. You may need to zip tie the wiring for your components to a brake line or shifter cable to keep it from rubbing on your front tire. Once you have them all in position, clip the ends off the zip ties. Ensure your brakes work properly. You have full motion of your handlebars and steering. Nothing is in the chain. For your freewheel, your front crank, make sure you have the motor on tight. Make sure your leads, negative and positive, are hooked up properly. Everything is snug. Put your battery in. Make sure your tires are filled to the proper pressure. Turn on your battery. Turn on your power. And you're ready to ride.